How to book on Hilton without joining Hilton Honors. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, go to the Hilton.com's official website. Here, click on search for destination and select your destination. Then click on check-in and check-out. Select the check-in date and check-in, check-out time and date. Press on done. And here, click on how many rooms you want, one room, how many guests, and press on done. Then press on find a hotel. Here you'll find different hotels. Select the hotels you want. After you've selected the hotel you want, you will find the rooms available in that hotel. Select a room, as price will be given as well. Press on book, which will lead you to this page. And here, select the normal price, not the Hilton Honors discount. Select the normal price. After you have done that, continue to payment, pay, and you're good to go. This is how to book on Hilton without joining Hilton Honors. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.